The Pony filter element is the best replacement I've ever seen. The air filter element will be replaced about 10,000 kilometers away. The air conditioner filter element is about 5,000 kilometers away. Replacing these two filter elements is not included in the basic maintenance. It will cost you more than $1,000 to go to Ford South. Do-it yourself only costs a few $1,000s. Today, I will share the replacement method of these two filter elements with all Pony owners. First, the air filter element. Follow the engine intake pipe to find this black box. Open the surrounding buckles with the help of tools. Lift the lid to remove the old filter element. It's already dirty. If it is not replaced in time, it is easy to affect the engine intake. It may also lead to increased fuel consumption. The new filter element is for special cars. Put it directly back in the box. Put the lid on. The buckles are all restored. The air filter is replaced. Next is the air conditioner filter element. Open the passenger door. Use a one-word screwdriver to open the buckle under the glove box. Take the cover off a bit. Unplug the wiring harness. The buckle and foot socket light plug cover can be removed. You can see that there are two screws in this position. Use a Type 2 screwdriver to unscrew the screws. Hold the buckle on the right. You open a little plate. Remove the old filter element. The air conditioner filter element is not replaced in time. It will cause our car to smell bad. The filter element is activated carbon. It can effectively absorb harmful substances. Just put it in the original position. Restore the glove boxers in turn. The air conditioner filter element has also been replaced. You learn how to do things. Easily save thousands of dollars.